In this video, you'll learn how to download your Binance account statement. By following these steps, you will be able to access and save your transaction history for future reference or accounting purposes. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your account credentials, and after successful authentication, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This screen will provide an overview of your account activities. Next, find the wallet or account settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access further options related to your. Once on this page, look for the section labeled statements or reports. This area will allow you to view and manage your account statements. You will need to select the specific wallet type for which you want to generate the statement, whether it be for spot trading or futures. After selecting the wallet type, proceed to choose the desired date range for your statement. This range will determine which transactions are included in your report. Ensure that the dates align with the period you're interested in reviewing. Once you have made your selections, this step prepares the statement for download. Now it is time to generate your account statement. You will need to select the preferred format for the statement, such as CSV or PDF. After making your selection, confirm the report request by clicking the appropriate button. It is important to remain patient as the system will take a moment to generate your statement. Avoid refreshing the page during this process, as this may disrupt the generation. A notification will appear once your statement is ready for download. Finally, download the generated file securely by clicking the download link provided in the notification. Once the file is downloaded, review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. It is advisable to save the file in a secure location for your records. You can utilize this statement for accounting purposes or financial reporting. If you notice any discrepancies, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. This concludes the process of downloading your Binance account statement. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.